Un surciteggio di testa sbintata aveva pigliato la via di Lacitu e faceva una vita scialacquata con l'amiciuni di lo suo partito. Lo zio cercavo tirarlo a buona asciata, ma zappavo all'acqua perché era accivito e di più la saimi aveva liccata di taverni e zagati perito. Finalmente mucida fece Luca, e du grida ziu, ziu, cu doglia interna. So zio, per lo rammarico si suca, poi dice, luto caso mi costerna, ma ora mi cerchi chiacco chi t'affuca, scutta, per quando isti alla taverna. A little mouse, who was light-headed brush, had gone the way of wine to vinegar, living in sheer debauchery with Dash, along with bosom pals, who were his pa. His uncle tried to show him the right way, but dug in water, for he'd grown too sure. The taste of laud had made him a gourmet, expert on taverns, pubs, an epicure. He finally was caught in Kitty's claw. Uncle, oh uncle, in great pain he cried, but his poor uncle stood there with dropped jaw, and said to him, I'm really mortified, but may you hang? Just now you see my way? The price for going to the taverns pay.